What is energy? It is the ability to do work. All living things need energy. Birds need energy to fly. Baby animals need energy to grow. You need energy so that you can do all the things you do. The source of all energy on Earth is the sun. However, we can't use energy from the sun directly. Energy from the sun passes from one living thing to another through a food chain. A food chain tells us how energy is transferred from one organism to another through food. Click on each image to know how energy passes from one organism to another. The sun provides heat and light to all living things in the world. Plants use sunlight, water, chlorophyll, and minerals from the ground to generate energy. Plants are known as producers in the food chain. Some animals get their energy directly by eating plants. They are known as primary consumers. Some animals get their energy from animals that eat plants. They are known as secondary consumers. Some animals get their energy by consuming secondary consumers. They are known as tertiary consumers. Click Next.